Okay, hello everyone. We're going to do the assignment lab 2b. So this is following the updated lab instructions with 4 tasks. So in the total, there are 4 screenshots that you need to do, and we follow the updated lab instruction in the LMS. Okay. So the first thing you have to do is to start the virtual machine. Number 3, yeah, the configure semantic model for Power BI. Okay, so I quickly start this virtual machine and launch. After that, wait for a few minutes for this to completely started. Okay, so I dock this virtual machines console. Okay, don't forget, yeah, if you want to keep your work for a future use or in case you cannot complete in one attempt, so you need to save your work in the OneDrive. Yeah, so later after the virtual machines ready, when we open Power BI, then I will also show you how to connect to the Power BI and then save your work in OneDrive. Yeah, so it can be recovered. Yeah, if you have to continue your work in the middle way. Yeah. Okay. So the title is a configure semantic model in Power BI. Basically, you're going to get the data from the data source, bring into the Power BI, then after that create the data model. So you're going to create the data relationship or entity relationship between multiple tables, and then create the link, and then use that table and the relationship in the report. Yeah. So in the total, there are 5 subtasks: create model relationship, configure table and column properties, then create hierarchy, create a quick measure, and configure many-to-many relationship. Okay, so quickly after we log on, we start the virtual machine, we log on with this password. Yeah. Click this password. Yeah. After this, then we don't need this unless you want to see how long you have time remaining. Yeah. So I will split this. Yeah. Split the window, and then after that minimize. Okay, so now I have this bigger screen for my virtual machine console. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So don't forget to log on to the OneDrive so your work can be stored or saved in the OneDrive. So I open the Power BI desktop, this symbol or this icon, or you can also run from this taskbar. Yeah. Okay. Or launch bar. Access your environment. Okay, we skip this part. We don't need. Okay, download the file that you will need for the lab. Yeah. Okay. So you can also put this in your OneDrive. Yeah. For future use. Yeah. Instead of saving in the virtual machine, which is not going to be safe when you virtual machines expire, and you can put in a OneDrive. Okay. So first, I'm going to log on to the OneDrive first. Yeah. So first open. Yeah. Then after that, click OneDrive. Okay. Then sign in. So sign in with your account, email account. Yeah. Given by school. Mine is this one. Okay. Continue. Then after that, sign in. Yeah. Then it will ask for the password. Yeah. Okay. So this is my password. Oops. Why I sure. Okay, I know why Backland always off the screen when type the password, because sometimes you forget. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is the email. Yeah. Okay. So I need to change the password after this. Actually, no need. Yeah, because it always asks for the multi-factor authentication. Okay. No, this app only. Yeah. Okay. So oh no, it does not ask for the multi-factor. Okay, yeah, this one is a DMV file is my folder for storing this. Yeah, okay. So this is a file. Then I am going to create a new folder. Okay. So assignment 2b, for example. Yeah. you don't have to, yeah, but I'm going to put in the assignment to be. Okay, this is the file will be here. Yeah, okay. I already have connect to OneDrive. Yeah. So this link, yeah, this zip file, I'm going to put into that to be. Yeah. Okay. So I open the Edge. Okay. Then after that, just copy, paste. Yeah. Okay. Mm. This one is the Power BI. Actually, you don't have to sign in. Yeah. It's optional. Yeah. Okay. So this is already downloaded. That you can find under the download folder. Okay, yeah, here you go, download folder. And then after that, yep, model data, yeah. I cut, after that, I put into my OneDrive, yeah. Where is my OneDrive? Okay, yeah, so why ask me again? Okay. Okay, sign in. Then after that, yeah, so okay, yep, not this application only. Okay, so yes, now I already have in OneDrive, yeah. So no need to change location, just continue, yeah. Then click getting ready, yeah. Okay, so in the meantime, we can go back here, and after that, you already have this location, yeah, DMV file. Assignment to be, yeah. Okay, the file just know the zip is here. So I copy here, and after that, extract, yeah. Extract all, put here. Okay, yeah. So starter and solution, we already have a sample here. Okay, so I just close this one. No need to log in. Yeah. Okay, so create model relationship. Yeah, in this task, you will create model relationship. The file was configured to not identify relationship between table. This is not the default setting, but recommended to prevent. Yeah, okay. In the Power BI desktop, to view all tables field, in the data, right click empty area and expand all. Okay, so this is assume we already open the starter. Yeah, okay, so open, and then after that in the OneDrive, then we open the okay, so not the sync yet. One moment, I think have to wait a while. Yeah, while synchronizing. Okay, yep, so assignment to be, why is not copy yet? Let's have a look here. In the OneDrive, Litton Academy, DMV files, and then assignment to be, yeah, actually already here. Yeah. Okay, let's, okay, if you cannot see this, that's all right. Then what you need to do is just close this Power BI, then double click this file. Yeah, the starter is faster. Anyway, the file is already in the OneDrive. Yeah. Okay, so you can choose the faster way, which is double click the file directly, and then it will open with the Power BI desktop. Okay, yes. So close. Then after that, yeah, wait for a while. Okay. So you see here that in the file is already populated with some table. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 table. And then in the data model, you see there is no link, yeah, no relationship, because we will be given the task to add the relationship between these tables. Normally, if you import, then it will automatically detect the column that identical, then create the link automatically. But we purposely remove the link so we can do the manual creating the manual link. Yeah, okay. In Power BI Desktop, to view all table in the data pane, right click empty area and expand all. Okay, so here in the data, then right click, after that expand all. Yeah, okay, so every table will be expanded, all the column will be displayed. Sometimes this is easier, yeah, to drag and drop the column instead of expanding one by one. Then to create a table visual in the data pane from the inside the product table, check the category field. Okay, so go to the product table and then category field. Okay, this one, yeah. Okay, yeah. After that, to add another column to the table in the data pane, check the sales. Okay, so I think we have to go to the table view, product table. Yeah, okay. So right click, expand all. After that, here in the yeah, to create a product table, then check the category field. Okay, category field. Okay, this one, yeah, category field. Yeah, okay, this one, category field. And then after that, to add another column to the table in the data pane, check the sales field. Okay, so I think it means to be in the visual, yeah, like this, yeah. Okay, extract, expand all, yeah. Okay, this one correct. Category, yeah, and then after that, okay, we create a visual table, yeah, this one, and then the product category, and then sales, yeah. In the sales table, we look for the sales. Okay, this one, yeah. So like this, yeah. You see that all the accessory bikes and so on, yeah, all the value are the same because we didn't apply the relationship between the table, yeah. So everything will be the same, yeah. We just wrong figure, yeah, wrong value. We're going to fix this, yeah. After we add the relationship, then this should show the correct amount, yeah. So click this data model view, yeah, and then manage relationship, yeah. After that, we can create the we're going to create the manual relationship, yeah. To create relationship, select the new relationship, click the button, yeah. After that, choose, yeah. Okay, from the product table to sales table. Okay, from the product table, then to sales table, and then you choose the column, yeah, which it will automatically detect, yeah, that there is a column with the same name, product key, yeah. Okay, so that's fine, yeah. Okay, yep. So this is the first step, yeah. Okay, notice the following property will automatically configure, like a product key column in each table is selected, yeah. Okay, and then after that, cardinality is one to many, yeah, one from the product, and then many from the sales, yeah, because one product can be sold multiple times. Cross filter direction is a single. Okay, so here there is a one direction only, yeah. If a double, there are two arrow, yeah. And make this relationship active is check, and how to know that this active is looking at the line, yeah, the solid line, yeah. If it is not active, the link, the relationship, the line is a dash line, yeah. If you right click after that, make it non-active, yeah. So this one, yeah, unactive, you see the link become dash like this. You see, this is inactive, yeah. So we change to the active back, this one. Okay, so now you're going to create the yeah, so like this, yeah, product and table sales, yeah. So if you want, you can put the locations similar like this, yeah. Okay, yeah, like this, yeah. So just make it same as this screenshot, yeah. Okay, you can interpret many of the relationship, yeah. One meaning one record connect to the many records in the other table, yeah. Okay. Switch to the report, yeah, go back here, then after that you can see now already changed, yeah. So the total is correct, yeah, and then the detail for each subcategory is shown correctly. Okay, if you see the amount is not the 77 million, then maybe you did wrongly select the relationship or the wrong column. There is easier way, which is a drag and drop. Yeah. Okay. To create new relationship using the different technique, switch to model view again. Okay. After that, you're going to create the link or relationship between the reseller table to the reseller to the sales table. Yeah. So from the reseller table, yeah, then go to the sales. Okay. So here I'm going to choose the reseller key from the reseller table and then drag to the reseller key in the this one, yeah, in the sales table. So you see reseller key both are selected and the direction and so on, yeah, is automatically created. Save it. Yeah. Okay. Use the new technique to create the following two model relationship again. Yeah, from the region sales territory key to the sales territory key. Okay. So this one sales territory key. This one. Yeah, sales territory key. Okay. So done. And then salesperson employee key to the sales employee key. This one. Okay. So all the relationship are established. So now we create something we call it as a star schema. Yeah. So star schema the fact table and dim table. Yeah. Okay. So the sales is the fact table, and then the product region, and then reseller and the salesperson are the dimension table. So this create a shape like a star. So that's why we call that as a star schema. If you select, there are two tables that unlink, yeah, because they don't have the or we don't need to create a link between these two tables. Yeah. Okay, save the Power BI desktop. Okay, save. Yeah. Okay, so it is saved in the OneDrive. Yeah. Now we configure the product table. Yeah. In this task, you configure the product table with the hierarchy and display folder. So switch to the model view, which is here, model view. Yeah. Then after that, in the data pane, if necessary, expand the product table. Okay. So this is product table. Okay, the rest I'm going to collapse. Yeah. So I'm going to focus on the table that we're going to use. Yeah, product table. Okay, right click the category and then create the hierarchy. Right click, yeah, create hierarchy. Okay, so now we create the hierarchy. Yeah. After that, yeah, so create like this. This is the hierarchy, category hierarchy. In the properties pane, in the name, we're going to replace. Yeah, so expand the properties pane. In the category hierarchy, we're going to change the name to the products. Yeah, with S. Yeah, so the difference between with the product is the existing table name is without S, but this one is with S. Yeah, so meaning plural. Yeah, more than one. Yeah, products. Yeah. Okay. After that, to add level to hierarchy, in the hierarchy drop-down list, select the subcategory. Okay, so I think this 2 is not TW, yeah, but the TO. Yeah. Okay, so subcategory and then product. Yeah. Okay, so you can do that by adding the subcategory like this. In the products. Yeah. After that, add the hierarchy. Yeah. This one. Yeah. Select a column to add level. This one. Yeah. So the subcategory and then a product are like this. Yeah. So you see, you use this hierarchy in the adding the hierarchy. This one. Okay. So now you have three level like this: category and then subcategory and product, and then it asks to apply the level changes. Apply level changes. Okay. So now it's updated. Yeah. We have the three level: category, subcategory, and product. Okay. Then to organize column into a display folder in the data pane, first select the background color format. Yeah, okay. So in the data pane, first select the background color format. This one, yeah, background color format. So this contains a list of the color to be selected, to be configured. Yeah. In the properties pane, in the display folder, enter formatting. Yeah, display. This one. Yeah, display folder. Choose the in the properties pane in the display folder box. Enter the formatting. Okay, so formatting. Yeah. Okay, and then after that, yeah, formatting. Yeah, we create a folder for this. Yeah. In the data pane, notice that the two columns are now inside the folder. Yeah, background color format and font color format. Okay, so for this font color format, then we need to enter the display folder. Yeah, formatting. Okay. Yeah, so you see, now we have a two here, just like this one. Yeah. Okay, we already configured correctly. Okay, and then now you're going to configure the region table. Okay, so let's look how many more should we break this to the first part because it's already 21 minutes. Okay, so yeah, I think I will stop to break the recording to the another part. Okay.